In my last Blend in After Effects video, I showed how you could install and use scripts to import cameras from After Effects into Blender. This time we're flipping it with a useful tool that lets you export scene data from Blender ready for After Effects. To get started, we first need to install this export script from developer Bartek Skorupa. So first visit developer.blender.org, link in the description. And we find this Git looking page with a script listed. Click on the button marked raw file and choose download. This will download a .py file. No need to unzip it, but like any file from the internet, you should virus check it first. Open Blender and go to Edit, Preferences, and then click on Add-ons, and then choose Install. Locate your newly downloaded Python file and choose Install Add-on. In this scene you can see there's lots of objects, but I only want position data for the inside of the book. So in the Modeling tab, making sure I'm in Object mode, I'll click Add, Empty, Plane Axis. I'll position this where I want. Then, making sure just the camera and this empty are selected, I'll go to File, Export, Adobe After Effects. Blender will prompt you to save a JSX file. In After Effects, you won't import this file, it's not footage. Instead, go to File, Scripts, Run Script File. Find your Blender exported file and click Open. After Effects will now create a composition from the information in the file, so you'll be prompted to name it. And when it opens, that's it. Every object has its position recorded as a null object. I can now add in my rendered image sequence from Blender, and with the 3D camera data, I can augment the animation in After Effects. One last thing to point out though, when you import your image sequence into After Effects, make sure the frame rate matches the comp the script just created. I've got my AE to default image sequences to 30 frames per second, but this particular Blender animation is set to 24 FPS. While I could change my import defaults in Preferences, I can also just right-click on the footage, select Interpret Footage, Main, and change the frame rate here to 24 FPS.